chicas, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick and simple makeup look, and when I say quick, this is going to be quick, okay? If you want to see how I did my hair, check out the previous video, which is a hair video showing you guys how I straightened my hair really quickly, and then I ended up cutting my hair again on the side. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to start off with my favorite primer. This is by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And if you can hear something, that's my fan because it is super hot in here. So I have that all over my face and on my neck. All right, got that. Now I am going to go in and do my brows. Let's see. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. This is, doing my brows will probably be the longest part of this video. And it is not going to be super carved out or anything like that. I just want to fill them in a little bit. Let me bring you closer. Now we're close. Okay. And that was the air conditioning. So if you can hear that, sorry, but it's hot. Now, I'm going to take Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the color Natural Beige. I'm going to use that to carve my brows just a little bit. On my last video, I did like a one shadow look. I may end up doing the same thing on this look. Maybe. Because like I said, this is a quick look, and I actually needed to do something really quickly because I have something else to film, and I didn't want to film barefaced. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and just film myself doing a quick, simple get ready with me makeup look. Okay, now I want to go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my eyes just to even them out. Now I am going to take the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I am actually using that as my shadow. So this is it right here, and that's the color. I'm gonna take that, dab it, and then put it in my crease. That is cute, and it's simple, and it's fast. So we got that. So what I'm gonna do is take Benefit California blush, this blush right here, has an orange tint to it, and I'm going to, or like an orangey peachy look to it, I'm going to put that on my lid. And I may do a peach lip. Ooh, it's gonna be cute. And of course, I'm gonna use these same two products for my bronzer and for my blush to tie it all together. Okay, that's better. Now you can get a better view of what that looks like. I'm sitting here looking at one of Rihanna's gloss bombs. It kind of looks peachy, so I may go with that one. It's kind of like a peachy sheer gloss bomb. Okay, taking my fluffy brush again, going back in with the bronzer. And I'm just going to blend those edges a little bit. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Extension or Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. And this is in the color Rich Black. I'm gonna try not to make the ugly mascara face while I'm applying my mascara. Mouth closed. Whew, that was difficult. It's hard to tie a look together when you don't have lashes on, but if your real lashes look good, then maybe it'll work. We'll see. I think that'll work. What do you guys think? I mean, do you always have to wear lashes? Or are you comfortable wearing your own lashes when going out? Okay, so moving on with the face. I'm going to be using EMajor Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and this is in the color 115. This is one of my absolute favorite foundations. So I'm going to put that on my sponge. And this blends so well with my skin. On one of my previous videos, I used the Juvia's Place foundation. It's a really good foundation, but the colors that I have just does not go with my skin tone. So I need to go into the store and see if I can get color matched. I'm not even sure if they're doing that yet or not. I can barely tell that I have on foundation, and that's what it's supposed to be like. Okay, set. Done with foundation. Now let's move on to concealer. I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer again, and I'm going to put a little bit in the corner and a little bit on the outside. Corner, outside. Using the same sponge, I'm just going to flip it over and lift my eyes here. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my nose area. And directly up under my eyes. Yes. For setting powder, I'm going to use Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Haven't used this in a while, but I'm gonna use it today. It's expensive. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of a dry sponge and just set. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose only, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit on the forehead. Blend that. And I'm going to go ahead and quickly set that as well. Boop, boop, boop. I'm going to take a big powder brush and wipe it off. On to bronzer. Again, using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm just going to bronze the normal places. My hair came out the brush. And then I'm going to put a little bit of contour on my nose. Just a light one. Drag that into my shadow. Take that fluffy brush again and just dab it off. Okay, California blush. I don't want to have too peachy of a face, so just a little bit. So cute. Told you guys this was fast. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Love Light You Light Up My Life bronzer or highlighter. So cute. It's a reflective gold highlighter. So pretty. Ooh yeah. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that mascara and put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to put some highlighter in my inner corner. Like that. And then I'm going to go back in and finish my brows. Just clean up anything that may have messed up when I did my foundation. So extend that. And then I'm going to take this Stila brow color in dark, and I'm just going to finish the front of my brows. That's it. I'm going to spray my face with Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. Try not to get it on my hair. That smells so good. And then going in with Fenty Gloss Bomb in Taffy Tease. See how it's that peach look? Kind of ties in with the eyes. And that's pretty much it. Let me throw on some earrings and I will be back. Okay, I am all done. I hope you guys like this look. It was simple, quick, and just straight to the point. I just went and threw my earrings on. If you are interested in earrings, I will leave the information down below. They are from AbbyRedAccessories.com. Yes, this is a part of my line. So again, I hope you liked this video. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below if you did, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.